Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we learned about PHP and what are the things that we can do with PHP. On this video we are going to learn how to install Xampp software in our PC and make our system as a server side that will support the PHP run on our system. Okay, in order to do that we have to search the software called Xampp. Search it on Google and you can see the downloading link. Click on the downloading link, then download the latest version of Xampp. Okay, here my system supported 64-bit and I'm downloading the 64-bit version. You can download the version as per your system requirement. Okay, here I'm downloading the 64-bit. Okay, finally the downloading started. Finally guys, the downloading is completed and we can see the downloaded file on the downloaded section. Okay, so I'm going to double click on the software to install the setup. Okay, it will show a warning, but you don't have to care about the warning. Just click OK and continue. Then you can see a button called next button. Just click on the next button and you can see some softwares here. These are the dependent software that will install while installing the Xampp software. Okay, some of the software that we doesn't require, so just untick the softwares like the video follow. Okay, Mercury's mail server, FileZilla FTP server, and Perl, fake send mailer, and Weblazer. Okay, these are the software that we doesn't require right now because we are learning PHP, right? So go to the next click on the next button. Then you can see the location that we need to install the Xampp. Basically it will go to the C drive. Okay, I'm installing the Xampp to the C drive. I think it's already previously I installed the Xampp version on the C, that's why it's showing a warning, but it's not a problem. Go to the C. If it is showing same, then you can just delete the old Xampp version. Click on the next button, then it will ask you for the language. Basically I'm using the English language as default language. Okay, then click on the next button, then click on the next button again, and it will take you to a small documentation of Xampp. It will not bother you. If you want to read it, you can read. If you don't want, just close it. Okay, so finally click on the next button again and it will start the installation of Xampp in your PC. Okay guys, finally the installation is completed and we can click on the finish button to complete the installation. Now we can see the Xampp control panel, and we can see two start button here, and one start button is for Apache and the other start button is for MySQL. We can start both and we can check the installation status by going to the localhost on our PC. So the installation is completed and now we can run PHP in our PC. On the next video we will learn how to run a PHP program using Xampp in our PC. Thank you for watching the video.